What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play Plants vs Brainrots on Roblox. So once you're inside Roblox guys, you can go ahead and either click to the charts and you will be able to see the trending charts to see if it's there. As you can see in my case it's there. In case you're not able to find it there, just simple go ahead and type in the Plants versus brain rot. So once you start to type that in, you will see it and you can click on the experience and you will have the option to find it right here. So as you can see, I click on it, and if I want to play, I just simply click and play right here. And if you're in Chrome, you will see that it's going to prompt you to open up the game client right here, and if not, it will trigger you to download this on your PC. As you can see, it's currently installing Roblox right here on my computer because it wants to give me the client. But as you can see, in a moment it's going to quickly start up and we will show you how to actually play that. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. As you can see, it's about to join the server, and right here I am currently in it. It's very easy and very simple. So that's basically it guys, how to go ahead and play Plants vs Brainrot on Roblox. Very easy and very simple. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.